A busy mom shopping for a quick dinner. Hi there, my name is Mary. I am an office worker and a busy mom. It is 5:30 p.m. on a busy Saturday. Please shop for a quick dinner with me today. At the gate, I see a supermarket staff. Excuse me, where can I find a shopping cart? I ask. They are right over there, ma'am, he says. Thank you so much, I reply with a smile. Straight away, I grab a cart and run inside. First, I look for some chicken. Chicken is very easy to cook quickly. I find a small pack of fresh chicken breast. This is just enough for my family. I love it. Next, I pick up a bag of pre-cut salad. Buying pre-cut vegetables saves so much time. Afterwards, I grab a box of small red tomatoes. Everything must be fresh and ready for my hungry kids. Meanwhile, I look for some healthy drinks. Let me think, which one is the best? Should I buy soda or fruit juice? Soda has too much sugar. Eventually, I choose a big bottle of orange juice. It is full of vitamin C and very fresh. It is the perfect drink for my family. I feel so good about this healthy choice. Wait, today is Saturday, so I want a treat for everyone. I go to the bakery section to buy a pie, but which one should I pick? Apple pie or chocolate cake? Wow, this apple pie looks so delicious. I choose it because my husband absolutely loves apple, and the kids will love this sweet pie too. Yay, this is a special surprise for them. Oh no, it is already 5:45 p.m. I need to go to the checkout now. As soon as I see a short line, I run there. I hope I am not late to pick up my kids. Hello, can I pay with my credit card? I ask. Yes, of course, the cashier says. He scans my chicken, salad, juice, and pie. The total is $35. Finally, I walk out of the supermarket. I have everything for a healthy and quick meal. Yay! I did it in just 15 minutes. Now I can go home and cook for my family. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What time does Mary go shopping? Answer. She goes shopping at 5:30 p.m. on a busy Saturday. Question 2. What does Mary look for first in the supermarket? Answer. She looks for some chicken first. Question 3. Why does she choose pre-cut salad? Answer. She chooses it because it saves so much time. Question 4. What drink does Mary finally choose? Answer. She chooses a big bottle of orange juice. Question 5. How much does Mary pay for all the items? Answer. She pays $35 for all the items. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.